So, Brian, this person is a little concerned, and I won't put them on the screen here, but they say they have a 500 credit score. Can they do this business with bad credit? Let's be realistic. Can someone be a successful real estate investor with bad credit, Brian? You're watching a segment from a Freedom Mentor live stream. Join us for our next live event. Go to freedommentor.com/live.
Absolutely. Again, it goes back to how are you investing? If you're doing traditional real estate investing where you're working your day job, you have an agent out there looking for deals, you're competing on MLS, and the only way you're going to get money is either through hard money, and if you're competing on MLS, you're probably outside of that range. If you are finding deals that you can do and you have to use your own money to buy it and hold it for a very long time to make money, then that's the wrong recipe, right? And if you have a 500 credit score, it's not going to work either. What we focus on is working directly with sellers, as you guys have been talking about, building rapport and relationships with the people that are in need, that need our help, whether we're going to flip a deal, whether we're going to take it over on creative terms, short term, maybe a little longer term. We've got a tremendous amount of techniques that allow you to absolutely get deals done no matter what your credit score is. I can't tell you the last time I had my credit score pulled to do a deal. Because work directly with sellers. I do more owner finance than anything, along with subject to. So again, don't be so dependent on bank loans. I mean, there's a time for them, but even hard money lenders aren't dependent on your credit score if you find the right relationship and private money to boot. So absolutely not an issue.
Be sure to get your free copy of my best-selling book, How to Be a Real Estate Investor, and that comes with the audiobook version as well. Click the top corner. Yeah, and I think it's so important that those that are trying to get their head wrapped around this understand there's a paradigm shift. The paradigm shift is when you are negotiating directly with the owner and you understand how to structure creative financing. There is no loan application. There is no qualification. It's the relationship and the way you negotiate with that seller, the trust you build with them. And now there is no need for the credit. And it is fascinating that, as Brian mentioned that. Yeah, my credit, during COVID, I guess someone was able to take out a PPP loan on me. So ever since then, I've locked my credit, and it just stays locked all the time. I have no reason to unlock it. So yeah, you all, this is not a credit-based business if you're a creative real estate investor. Would you like to be coached by me and my team? Every successful real estate investor has a mentor. Discover how you can be mentored by us through our apprentice program by clicking above.